Hey, what's going on, everybody? All right, guys. So in last video, we used law of sines to find a missing side. And in today's video, we will use law of sines to find a missing angle. So just in case you forgot the formula, here we go. So the law of sines states that sine of angle A divided by little a equals sine of angle B divided by little b equals sine of angle C divided by little c. And remember, little a, little b, little c, those are the sides, right? So in this question, we're given a triangle ABC, and we're told angle B equals 127 degrees, and we're told two of the sides, right? So they say find angle A. Find angle A. So if we want to do that, let's use our formula. Here we go. All right. So the formula says sine of A divided by little a. Well, what's opposite our angle? 8, right? So we know it's divided by 8 equals sine of, what are we given in this problem? Well, they tell us angle B equals 127. So we know we're going to be using that guy. So we'll say equals sine of 127. Now, what is opposite angle 127? 14. So we know it's being divided by 14. Now, the goal is to get angle A by itself. So right now we have sine of some unknown angle divided by 8. So how do we get rid of that 8? What's the opposite of divide? Multiply, right? So you multiply both sides by 8. Here, I'll box this off a little bit so it's easier to see. Okay, so now the 8 cancels out, and so now we have sine of angle A equals 8 times sine of 127, all divided by 14. Now, one more step, guys. One more step. Right now, we have sine of some unknown missing angle. What is the opposite of sine? Well, the opposite of sine is sine inverse. So take a look at your handy dandy little calculators right there. Okay. So your calculator will have a sine button, and on mine, you see sine inverse just above it. So to use that button, you hit second and then you hit sine. So what you do is you take sine inverse of both sides. So angle A will equal the sine inverse of all of this stuff. 8 times sine 127 divided by 14. Now, let's check it out in our calculators. So we got sine inverse of 8 times sine of 127, all divided by 14. And you should get approximately, I'll use the squiggle line. This means approximately, about, right? 27.2 degrees. So what this means is the missing angle right here, the missing angle A is 27.2 degrees. That guy right there. All right, guys. So that's it for law of sines. So again, if you're still confused on this topic, that's okay. It takes practice. There's a lot of free resources online, a lot of good examples you can check out. But if you would like to consider some tutoring, feel free to leave a comment below on this video or hit us up on Facebook. We're World Education. Now, that was it for law of sines, right? Next time, I'll be going over law of cosines. Okay? All right, guys. Until next time, have a good one. Happy studying, everybody. See you later.